I'm Russ Sallow with GPS to Go. Question that people ask many times, business owners want to know, besides just tracking my vehicles, besides maybe helping me lower my gas, my idle, my maintenance, what can it do to help me dispatch my vehicles? So our system updates, and your GPS plug-and-play trackers, here's one of our Go 6s, our website in concert with the device is set up to update every 15 seconds to 1 minute, depending on what's happening with the vehicles. So if you want to dispatch, if you're a tow truck company, if you're a bread delivery company, carpentry, highways and roads, mechanical, HVAC, any industry where you need to see where your vehicles are now, our system is very, very accurate, very fast, responsive, and you'll be able to see live on the map where are my vehicles now, so that you can make better planning decisions, tell your customers where the vehicle is and how long it's going to be till it arrives at their destination. So for GPS to Go, I'm Russ Sallow. GPS to Go, now you know.